So Leon Bailey set to return after another injury blow so far this season. All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine with you. Thank you again, people. Massive respect for the continued support. So, I'm going to touch on Leon Bailey. Now, for those who don't know, since the international break, Leon Bailey hasn't featured for the Aston Villa club, and he has been out now for going towards over 2 weeks. Yeah, it's over 2 weeks now. He has been out because it's now 2 weeks since the international games in the CONCACAF Gold Cup qualification. Yeah. Now, prior to the Gold Cup qualification game, Leon Bailey featured, like, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 games. Prior to those games, was coming back from injury as well. Coming off an injury as well, and he featured in 6 games, having two assists and 1 goal. So relatively, I picked back up a little bit of form, a little bit of consistency, and some of that form and consistency, in some sense, spill over into the Reggae Boyz game. Yes, we might not, where numbers are concerned, he got a goal and assist. Where numbers are concerned, no, he just got a goal in the first game and a pre-assist. But performances, you can still see that something is definitely wrong. Nonetheless, he's set to return on the 12th of April, which is this Saturday for Aston Villa. But one of the key things I want to speak about is his absence in the Aston Villa team, and he's a huge miss, especially his inconsistent form so far this season due to the injury issues. And these have been some niggling injuries throughout the season. I'm not sure if most of you know, in March, there was some heavy links between him and, I think it's Chelsea. Heavy links between him and Chelsea, knowing that that could happen, possibly that could happen. Chelsea are looking for wide players. But nonetheless, we're speaking about Leon Bailey's injury, and this injury crisis that he's having is impacting him significantly. Chelsea just finished in the just finished playing Champions League game, and so far this season, Leon Bailey has not necessarily set the world alight in the Champions League for Aston Villa, but my apologies, Aston Villa just finished playing Champions League. But this season, Leon Bailey, like, 1 assist, one goal in around 8 games, and in total, it's not on the spectrum of good enough. But you can understand, based off the fact that he's having a horrid season where injuries are concerned, a very stop-start season. And the international friendlies maybe take a toll on him, and he just couldn't recover from it. But the good news is he's tentatively coming back on this Saturday. That's what the Premier League injury website is stating, that he's slated to come back this Saturday. And hopefully coming back fully fit and ready to take probably pick up back on his season. Not the best season so far, and we're just hopeful that he can find his footing, because the Unity Cup is coming up, the Gold Cup is coming up, and we would definitely want to see a fully fit Bailey coming into those competitions. I haven't seen the performance that we're demanding of him as yet, so we're hopeful that at some point it will come. So, speedy recovery, and let's see what this weekend has to offer for Leon Bailey. So that is a quick Leon Bailey update. Return on the 12th of April after such a long period out and the stop-start season. That's the whole reason why his numbers are like that. Because even check back last season, where injuries are concerned, last season was one of his best seasons in the Premier League. And when you see what the injuries issues that he's having right now, and then when you look at his numbers compared to last season, you can definitely see the correlation there. You still have time to end the season on a strong. But I do believe that he has to consider what is going wrong with these reoccurrences of different niggling injuries. Might not be the same, but something could be fundamentally wrong for him to consistently having these injury issues. Maybe a change of trainer, change of diet, change of lifestyle could do it, but something has to happen for him to realize. And I'm go up in the age now. Liam Bailey, like I go towards 27, 28 now. I'm thinking about 28 now. So I have to start focus on fixing those issues because this can't continue. The abundance of niggling issues can't continue, and when you're not repeatedly giving your best performance, you're going to be scrutinized, you're going to be criticized on many different forums or many different facets of your game. So fix the injury issue, and I think you'll see a better Leon Bailey. Anyways, big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. Speedy recovery. Hopefully, we'll see what he has to offer this weekend. Hopefully, come bigger and better and finish the season on a strong. Need to finish the season on a strong going into the Unity Cup and also the Gold Cup. I'm out, people. MG Sports. God bless. Boom. Being outside. Outside, now then what? Don't know what here.